Okay, so this is the ascending aorta, the aortic arch. First branch off the aortic arch is the brachiocephalic trunk. The second is the left common carotid artery. The third is the left subclavian artery. Okay, the brachiocephalic trunk will branch into the right common carotid artery and the right subclavian artery. On the left common carotid artery, they are showing the external carotid branching off, and then once it gets about right here, I would call it the superficial temporal artery. Okay, going to arms. Let's do this arm because it's anatomically correct. And this is our right subclavian artery. Right around here, it's axillary artery. And then after, basically right when you're about the head of the humerus, it becomes brachial. So this is all brachial artery. At the elbow, it branches. This one that's going towards the thumb, the external, that's going to be your right radial artery. And this one going to the pinky side is the right ulnar artery. Okay, going to the abdomen, the big red is the descending or abdominal aorta. The first major branch coming off is the celiac trunk. Okay, so you have one of the branches of the celiac trunk being the splenic artery, one of the branches being the left gastric artery, and then one of the branches being the common hepatic artery. Continuing down the abdominal aorta, you have the superior mesenteric artery. You have the left and right renal arteries. And then you have the gonadal, which this is not showing. And then you have the inferior mesenteric artery. Then your aorta splits into the right common iliac artery and left common iliac artery. Then you have the right and left internal iliac arteries. This is your right external iliac artery. And basically right where they have it cut off, it would begin femoral. So this is femoral artery, popliteal artery, and this is all right. This is going to be anterior tibial artery, a tiny part of the posterior tibial artery. And then we're going to follow the anterior tibial. About right here, it becomes the dorsalis pes. Okay, and this leg's a little different, so let's go ahead and do this one too. This is your left femoral artery. Right here, it would change to popliteal artery. And now this is the posterior tibial artery, left anterior tibial artery, left dorsalis pes.